In the heart of the tropical region, these certified facilities manage the sustainable life cycle of the Nile crocodile. Safety and animal welfare are prioritized during every movement within the farm. Specially designed vehicles maintain a controlled climate for the short journey to the processing plant. The facility represents the pinnacle of specialized leather and meat production technology. Full traceability is guaranteed via RFID, linking the animal back to its exact origin and life history. Transitioning to the cleaning and preparation zone, where hygiene standards reach their peak. A pressurized ionized mist begins the sanitization, neutralizing surface bacteria. Precision manual cleaning ensures no organic debris remains on the intricate hide surface. The journey into the core processing zone now accelerates through an integrated conveyor network. Thermal stabilization is critical to halt enzymatic activity and preserve the integrity of both meat and leather. The magnification reveals the remarkable consistency of the scutes. Note the microscopic pores. A final pass through the ozone chamber ensures total microbial eradication. Before we enter the extraction zone, removing excess surface moisture prevents slipping. During the high-precision incision phase, precise alignment is the first step in ensuring the maximum yield and perfect symmetry of the leather. The secondary tag ensures digital data remains physically linked to the material throughout the extraction phase. Now we enter the extraction zone, the most critical phase of the industrial process. Here, precision and speed are balanced to extract the maximum value from every specimen. Manual separation prevents damage that automated machines might cause to these delicate, Grade 1 skins. The tail provides high durability leather, often used for premium footwear and belts. The dorsal skin, though less used for high-end fashion, provides essential material for structural, industrial applications for the first time. The true value of the specimen is revealed, a perfect intact Grade 1 hide. The hides are immediately transported to the preservation zone to maintain their biological stability. Simultaneously, the meat is directed to the food processing wing, entering a strictly controlled temperature zone. Calculating the net meat yield is vital for total production efficiency metrics. With the hide and meat successfully separated, the material now enters its respective specialized refinement phases. The tail fillet is the most sought-after mark, known for its mild flavor and lean texture. Similar to a tenderloin, the backstrap provides tender, high-protein cuts for the premium segment. Leg meat is harvested for specialized products, ensuring nothing is wasted in the process. Precision trimming removes excess fat, meeting the strict lean meat specifications of international health markets. Sorting by mark type is essential for managing the distinct inventory of the luxury meat market. Rigorous microbiological testing is performed on every batch to ensure absolute consumer safety. The blast chiller rapidly lowers the temperature, locking in the meat's texture and nutrients. Automation allows for perfectly weight-matched portions, optimized for luxury retail packaging. Manual final inspection ensures that every portion meets the aesthetic and purity standards of luxury dining. Vacuum sealing removes oxygen, doubling the shelf life while preserving the natural juices of the exotic meat. A brief heat shrink phase eliminates wrinkles in the packaging, providing a premium aesthetic for retail display. Individual barcodes link each package to the farm's origin date, completing the meat's traceability loop. Wholesale orders are packed in thermal, insulated containers to maintain the cold chain during international air freight. In the final staging area, the products await dispatch to global luxury retailers and fine dining establishments. Nothing is wasted. Pure crocodile fat is processed into high-value oils for the cosmetic and pharmaceutical industries. We now transition to the tannery, where raw hides begin their transformation into the world's most coveted leather. Mechanical fleshing uses high-speed, rotating blades to strip away any remaining connective tissue and fat from the hide's underside. The spiral blade design allows for a gentle but firm scraping action, protecting the delicate grain of the crocodile's skin. Manual trimming removes irregular edges that could cause tangling inside the large tanning drums. The hides are loaded into colossal tanning drums, where they will spend the next 48 hours in a constant state of chemical immersion. Precise, automated dosing of tanning salts and wetting agents is managed by a centralized computer system. The introduction of chromium salts initiates the tanning process, fundamentally altering the protein structure of the skin. Over thousands of rotations, the chemical transformation will stabilize the fibers, creating what is known as wet blue crocodile leather. Once the tanning cycle is complete, the spent liquor is exhausted for specialized chemical recovery and treatment. Sampling or mechanical wringing removes excess moisture, preparing the leather for thickness refinement. At this stage, the hides are regraded. Tanning often reveals flaws that were hidden in the raw state.
Precise
Electronic area measurement determines the exact yield for inventory and pricing purposes. Hides are now sorted into homogeneous lots, ensuring consistent results. During the next thinning stages, the batch is moved to the thinning hall, where precision mechanical splitting will define the leather's final thickness. This phase marks the end of the chemical transformation and the beginning of high-precision mechanical finishing. Splitting is a critical operation where a horizontal band implement divides the hide into two separate layers. The band implement is continuously sharpened by internal stones to maintain a micron-perfect cutting edge. The top grain layer retains the crocodile's natural patterns, while the lower split is diverted for secondary uses. Shaving provides the final uniform thickness required. For specific products, like ultra-thin wallets or watch straps, a tolerance of less than 0.05 millimeters is strictly maintained across the entire surface area. High-velocity air implements remove all shaving residue, ensuring a pristine surface. A flawless uniform surface is now ready for the complex chemical refinement of the retanning phase. Thinning from the flesh side preserves the integrity of the grain, ensuring the natural beauty of the scales remains untouched. Precise weight data is recorded to calculate the exact percentage of dyes and tanning agents for the next phase. The leather now enters Act 7, tertiary processing, where it will receive its final color and characteristic softness. Neutralization adjusts the pH levels of the leather, preparing the fibers to absorb deep penetrating dyes. Chemical stability is verified at the molecular level before moving to the high-value dyeing phase. Hermetic sealing is required, as the drums will operate under pressure to force the dyes deep into the leather fibers. We enter the color kitchen, the nerve center where complex dye formulas are created. For the world's leading fashion houses, only the highest purity aniline dyes are used to ensure the transparency and depth of color required for premium crocodile leather. Even a milligram of variance can alter the final shade of 100. Skin lot precision is absolute. The act of tertiary processing begins. The dyes are dissolved in hot, deionized water to create a perfectly uniform tanning liquor. The dye is injected under controlled temperature and pressure, beginning the penetration into the core of the leather fibers. During the 6-hour cycle, fat liquor and oils are added to replace natural fats, giving the leather its legendary suppleness. The wet blue has been transformed. This is crust leather dyed through but not yet finished. Mechanical staking breaks the internal fiber bonds, creating the legendary suppleness of luxury, exotic leather. Tugging ensures the leather dries under tension, preventing shrinkage and maintaining the symmetry of the scale pattern. Vacuum drying uses heat and low pressure to remove moisture in seconds, resulting in a tighter, smoother grain. Side precision buffing removes microscopic irregularities, preparing the surface for the application of protective top coats. Automated reciprocating sprayers apply the base coat with micron-level precision, ensuring a perfectly even foundation. Infrared heat cures the base coat from the inside out, creating a durable bond with the leather fibers. Visual color matching against a master swatch ensures consistency across thousands of hides in a seasonal collection. The top coat provides the final aesthetic look, be it matte satin or high gloss, while offering scratch and water resistance. High-temperature plating irons the leather, compacting the fibers and creating a smooth, professional finish. Dry milling provides the final hand, a tactile softness that is the hallmark of premium, exotic leather. The chemical transformation is complete. The material has evolved into a stable, deeply colored and supple industrial masterpiece. The chemical transformation is complete. The material has evolved into a stable, deeply colored and supple industrial masterpiece. Industrial glazing jacks replicate the agate process at higher speeds, standardizing the brilliant shine across the entire hide. Specialized nanotreatments are applied to the most sensitive skins to provide invisible, long-lasting protection against water and oils. Hand finishing the edges prevents fiber fraying and provides the clean look expected in the luxury accessory market. Rigorous durability tests confirm the resistance of the finish to abrasions, scratches, and everyday wear. Rub fastness testing ensures the deep, black dyes are perfectly fixed and will not suffer onto the consumer's clothing. Extreme flexibility tests prove the coating's resilience against the natural movement of the material during use. Accelerated aging in UV chambers guarantees the color remains deep and rich, even after years of sunlight exposure. A final hand waxing adds a signature depth and a distinctive tactile feel that only high-end, artisanal finishing can provide. Achieving perfect moisture equilibrium prevents the leather from becoming brittle or overly elastic during final shipping. In the final inspection, the luster is evaluated under high contrast lighting to ensure absolute uniformity across the entire batch. As you can see, the pointer is tracing the unique, star-shaped umbilical scar. This is the definitive mark of authenticity. In luxury production, sensory quality extends to the olfactory profile. The leather must have a clean. With the final treatments completed, the hides are flattened and prepared for their unique digital identification. full serialization links the finished masterpiece to its complete industrial biography, ready for the world's most demanding buyers. The treatment phase is complete. We now enter the selection hall, where each hide will be matched to its final purpose. In the master selection hall, the art of matching begins, grouping hides with identical scale patterns and luster. Creating a premium bag requires multiple hides, with perfectly matched scale geometry, to create seamless transitions. For bespoke garments, an entire lot of hides may be dedicated to a single piece to ensure absolute uniformity of color and texture. Laser-guided systems identify the most valuable part of each hide, the center of the belly, to position the primary product components. Precision fall cutting ensures micron-perfect components, allowing for seamless assembly in the final stages. Skiving thins the edges of the panels, allowing for the elegant, folded seams found in premium leather goods. Only hardware plated in gold or palladium is deemed worthy of these top-tier hides, ensuring the longevity of every detail. Industrial-grade stitching provides structural integrity with the thread tension adjusted to the specific density of crocodile hide. A single missed stitch or uneven tension results in immediate rejection, ensuring the assembly meets the world's highest quality standards. The components are now grouped and verified, ready to enter the final quality and finishing gate. Polarized light reveals structural imperfections that are invisible to the unclad human eye, ensuring the integrity of the finish. Tensile testing validates the strength of the fiber structure, guaranteeing the product will never tear under extreme stress. Digital luster profiling quantifies the shine, ensuring that multiple hides used in one product have identical reflective properties.
Color delta
E-verification ensures that the depth of black is mathematically perfect compared to the seasonal master. With all tests passed, the lot receives its Grade 1 certification, the highest mark of industrial and artisanal excellence. A final dry vapor treatment relaxes the internal fibers, ensuring the leather remains perfectly flat and stable during international transit. In the packaging hall, we ensure the material reaches the client in the same pristine condition it left the lab. Acid-free pH. Neutral tissue paper is the first barrier against moisture and chemical migration during storage. Reinforced boxes protect the structural integrity of the hides, preventing any pressure-related creasing. A final digital manifest is generated, containing the full history of the material from farm to finished product. Individual boxes are consolidated onto reinforced aluminum pallets ready for air freight. Automated stretch wrapping provides a final layer of weatherproofing and security for the global journey. Efficiency and safety guide the final movements of this high-value inventory. The staging warehouse maintains a constant humidity and temperature, preserving the luxury finish until the moment of loading. From this facility, these hides will travel to fashion hubs in Paris, Milan, and New York, becoming the centerpieces of global luxury. The result is more than a product. It is a testament to the fusion of modern industrial power and centuries-old artisanal mastery. Inside the giant crocodile industry, where nature, science, and luxury meet,